Today I'm going to be playing Don't Press the Button 4, and I never played this before, I think. Oh, there's already a game playing. How long is this going to play? Is it going to play until someone gets to, until it gets to one player? If it gets into one player. That'll be a long time though. Got another blue pad. This is so easy. Nobody's gonna die. Okay, finally. Watch out. Whoever that is has a sword. Okay. I can't go in the house? Wait, can I climb up this rope? Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna stay up here until he finds me. Okay. So I don't see Biswa. Bix's walks. Well. Okay, I think I'm just gonna run over here. Oh, okay. So I survived. I wanna press the button. No, too slow. Reach the end? Okay. I don't want to jinx myself, so I'm not gonna say that this is easy. Yep. See, it's not. I thought it was gonna be easy, but it's not. Okay. Wait, go. Uh, I touched it in, the red. Okay, that was obvious that I touched it in the red. Okay, let's try to do this. No, didn't do it yet to where I touched it on the first one. Okay, let's do it. Yeah, yeah. I didn't even touch it. Okay, feed the giant noob. Okay. Okay, this one's easy. Just have to ride into a slide into a noob's mouth. And yep, that's what I assumed is gonna happen. Okay. So I wonder how many times I can do it. Oh, I did it 2 times. Wait, be careful. I'm always careful. What does it mean? How is that person already to the end? Who put a banana right there? It's probably her. But I want, I want. Okay. It should be yellow to green, but okay, however they want to design it. Design, design. Oh, I fell. Oh, avoid getting infected by zombies. I never get infected by these little things whenever they say. So I'm probably not gonna get infected. I don't even see a zombie. Where are the zombies? I don't see a zombie. Are people even getting infected? See that person just standing down there? They're probably gonna survive because they're so brave. Look, she's just putting like Robux everywhere. Yeah, if it's just me, because I do not see any zombies, so I guess I'm just gonna survive. Yep, survivors win, everybody. Okay, I want to press the button. Oh. Score a goal to earn coins. I already know that nobody's gonna score. And I'm probably gonna be right. Oh, I thought the ball was just gonna go off. It's going to a direct goal. Hey, that's not fair. She has running speed. Duh, duh, duh. Uh. Hey, Glenn. Yeah, no. Yep, I was right. Nobody scored a goal. Deliver the pizza to the correct house. Mine is house 53. 85. 7. 54. If only mine was 54. 2. 10. Yes, 53. 53. Right here. I delivered the pizza. Alright, let's. Oh. Fire the most amount of fireworks? Okay. I don't know how. How do I? How do I? I'm so confused. I don't know how to fire a firework. I don't even see any fireworks around the map. Are they just supposed to like spawn in your inventory? Okay, how did that person get a firework? Oh, that was the closest. Do I collect these? No. Come on, I want this round to be over. This run's too hard. Ocean Life won with 5 points. Okay. Not very good at that map. Let's click it. Yeah. Be the first one to grab the shape that's asked. Find a bright yellow star right here. I was in the lucky spot. Okay. Find a deep orange triangle. Who's putting blocks all around it? Find a bright red ball. Find a lime green cone. Oh, look, it's me! Find a pink circle. Why is this person putting bricks everywhere? I want to knock them over. I want to see. Yep. Okay. That's enough. I'm going to knock this one over because there's like a little crack. Then I can just walk out. Yeah. Okay. Button presser. Knock on the door. Ocean Life 236. Knocked on the door. Run? I don't know what I'm running from. What am I running from? I think everybody's gonna be remaining. Because this looks very easy. This isn't even scary. The AI skeleton is broken. Look, it's just jumping for that can. How did that person die at the last minute? I wanna click it. I wanna click it. Yeah. Remaining guy. Okay. Jump over the lasers. This should be easy. I hope it's not a one shot. Okay. So far, somebody lost some health. Oh, I hope that means that it's not just one shot. Ooh, that person died. Okay, it's not one shot. No. Ooh, there's two lasers going at a time now. Because you know Sharon is Karen. Okay. This is getting pretty easy. 3 players won. Oh. Well, it's still going. Oh, I died. But I still won. That still counts to me because I won. Grab the correct color. Okay, what does it mean? What does that mean? Grab the... No, grab... No. Wait, can I glitch the game? Let me glitch it. No. No. Okay, so I think I'm going to end the video right there. Make sure to subscribe.